How to redeem mutual fund investments instantly. Have you ever needed funds urgently and didn't know the way out? Stay calm and get funds instantly by using the super convenient mutual fund redemption feature on the HDFC Bank Smart Wealth app. Here's the step-by-step process. Log in to the HDFC Bank Smart Wealth app, go to the dashboard option at the bottom and select Mutual Funds under Holdings tab. Tap on the fund you want to redeem and tap on Sell. Select from the two options by amount or by units. Enter the desired amount or number of units and tap on Continue. Finally, enter the OTP to submit the request. Wondering how soon you will get the funds? Requests made before 2 p.m. are processed on the same business day and the same day's NAV is applied. After 2 p.m., requests are rolled over to the next day. After successful redemption, you will get the amount straight into your linked HDFC Bank savings account. For equity funds, you will get the amount 2 days after the fund house receives the redemption request, while for debt funds, the amount gets credited on the next day. Embark on the path of financial progress with the HDFC Bank Smart Wealth app today. Sold your mutual fund investments when you needed them the most? To understand how you fared, dial into our next video on an overview of capital gains and losses.